Hi everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Fabiola. Today I'm gonna teach you something that's really good, guys. You don't have to go to those expensive restaurants to buy it. You can make it your own. I'm gonna show you guys how to make baked lobster tail, guys. It's really good, guys, and I'm gonna go step by step with you guys. I'm gonna make it my way, guys, and you guys gonna really love the result. Okay, please stay with me. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. Alright guys, that's everything we're gonna do to bake the lobster tail. I have 3 lobster tail. We're gonna need some black pepper. I have some Tabasco, chipotle. Like, it's optional, but I love spicy, that's why I'm gonna use it, but you guys don't have to put it. And I have some garlic powder. I have the obe season. I have some paprika, and I have some butter and some lime. Alright, we're gonna start now, guys. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make my sauce first. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the sauce first, okay? Alright guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get 4 tablespoons of butter. Let me open it. I'm gonna show you guys. Just gonna get half of the whole stick butter. I'm gonna get half of it, and then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds so it can be melted. Alright guys, I just put half of the lemon. I just cut it and I take half of it. Let me show you guys. I just put the juice on the butter. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Alright, I'll show you guys. And I'm gonna put half teaspoon of that garlic powder and the old season, guys. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of the obe season. I'll put it for you guys. Okay. I'm gonna put that. And I'm gonna do the same for the paprika. Even I didn't measure, but I had the measurement in my head. I just put 1 teaspoon of the paprika. And then I have my hot sauce, guys. I'm gonna put a little bit. You guys don't have to do it. I just put like 1 teaspoon of the that's hot sauce. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mix everything together. Mix it. Let me show you guys. Alright, I'm done mixing it. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go clean the lobster and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, now what I'm gonna show you guys, I have my lobster. You guys don't have to take those. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna get your finger, you're just gonna push it like that. When you do it like that, so the meat can be able to come out. Let me show it to you guys. You see? Now what I'm gonna do, I have my scissors. I'm just gonna cut it. Show you guys how to do it. Just gonna do it like that for all of them. And do it all the way at the end of it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take the meat. You see, the meat comes so easily. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna do that for the other side. Okay, I'm gonna take the meat out of the shell all the way. And I already washed it, guys. I didn't show you guys, but I already washed it. And let's see. You see, it come all the way. The shell kind of mess up, and you're just gonna put. I'll show you guys. You're just gonna put the meat like that. Right. And I'm gonna do that for all of them, and I will show you guys when I'm done finished with all of them. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on bake on 400, and when I'm done with it, I'm gonna let it bake. You have to let it bake between 15 to 20 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season my lobster. I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper, not that much, guys, and I have the seafood season. I get it from Walmart and it's really good, guys. And I'm gonna put some of it on the lobster. You don't have to put that much, but it tastes real good. Okay, not that much. And now I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some more garlic powder, a little bit of it, not that much. And I have salt. I'm gonna let me show you guys. You see what I got? A little bit slide of the salt because I didn't put none on the sauce. And now what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get my brush. I'm just gonna brush my lobster. I'm gonna try to put this sauce in all. Big for 15 to 20 minutes, and it's gonna bake like that on 400. Alright, after like 15 to 20 minutes, I will show you guys what it look like. Alright guys, after I let it bake for 20 minutes, remember the butter sauce I made in the beginning. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some more on the sauce, on the butter. You know what, let me do it like that. So you have a lot of butter, we're just gonna put it all over it, because it's pretty much done. And what I'm gonna do guys, I have some dry parsley. I'm gonna put some dry parsley on top of it. Wait baby. Alright guys, and I'm done, and I will put it in a plate and I will show you guys the final. Alright guys, I'm done. I have some lemon I put, guys. If you guys want, you guys can put some lemon juice, but you don't have to. The way I make it guys, I made it, you guys don't have to put the lemon juice, but I just put it as an option. Some people really love lemon. And I have some vegetable side guys, and it looks so delicious guys. And if you're new to my channel guys, please don't forget to subscribe guys. Thank you so much for all your support. God bless you all guys. See you in my next video. All right, bye.